I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup Breakup Blog, and today I am taking a sneak peek at some stuff from one of my favorites, FabFitFun. Let's see what's inside. In between the quarterly boxes, they have add-on sales, they have the edit sale, and they recently had one, so I actually, this is like the second time that I think that I've ordered some extras from the FabFitFun edit sales. So without further ado, I'm just going to dive in. So the first thing that I want to show here is from Grayson Stella, and this is the Spray All Day Rose Spray. I'm really excited about this, and I'm glad I got on it really quick because it basically sold out pretty fast on the website. What's great about the add-ons is that you don't pay full price. You know, you usually pay like maybe half of what it costs, which to me is great because, you know, I am still ruled by my pocketbook and I have to be careful on how much I spend. So it says here the directions, like to spritz 4 or 5 sprays onto the face with eyes closed, of course, you know, before or after the makeup. Reapply as needed throughout the day. And it says discontinue if there's any irritations. Let me see, where are my reading glasses? They're somewhere here. We'll check this out real quick. So here's cruelty-free, vegan, lovely. Wow, and paraben-free, I think. Just read that real quick, right? Yeah. So I'm just gonna, the packaging is pretty simple. Oh, this is a good sized bottle, look at that. And you figure during the summer and when the weather starts changing to fall, at least here in New York City, I'm lucky enough to get to experience all 4 seasons. You just take this, has the pump spray. Let's see how fine the mist is. Oh, not too bad. Oh, but it smells. If you don't like rose, the scent of rose at all, you're not gonna like this. Obviously, it does say rose spray on the bottle, so. It's not a fine mist, but it's nice. Oh, it feels so refreshing on my skin. Beautiful, right? And I'll post the prices here, what they're normally priced, but also keep in mind that I think I got these for half, so. They have pomegranate seed, rose hip, and citrus. So they call this a pomegranate seed, rose hip, and citrus alert eye cream. So the benefits are there's no mineral oil, no petroleum, no silicones, no parabens, no animal testing, no synthetic dyes, no synthetic alcohol, no synthetic fragrance, even though it does have a scent. To me, it feels like a nice, clean scent, but there is a fragrance to it. So if you're allergic or sensitive to any kind of odor or fragrance, this may not be for you, but I humbly suggest that you try this. This is really good. No PES, no SLS. It's yes, herbally effective, yes, organic ingredients, yes, pure natural fragrance, yes, essential oils, yes, cold pressed oils, yes, recyclable, yes, hydrosol water, yes, hyaluronic acid, yes, vegan, yes, gluten-free, and is dermatologically tested, proven efficacy. So, and what's great is they even provide the expiration date, which is not until April 2029, April 2023, excuse me, April 2023. Rest assured, I will be going through this by then. Lovely product. Again, I'll put the full price somewhere on here, and just know that I probably paid less than half of that. Here's this little bad boy right here. Do you see that? It's from the company called Green Goo, and it's for dry skin. I got this from my cousin to see if she'll try it and tell me what she thinks of it. This has calendula, chamomile, elderflower, and yarrow. This helps temporarily relieve symptoms of rash, the knees if they're dry, if you have red bumps, dry hands, eczema. It acts as a skin protectant. It can also be used on feet if you have like cracked feet, or it's supposed to be a dry skin salve. It says here, we see your strength, and it's amazing. Okay, I never heard of this brand, but I figured I wanted to try it, and it reads plants with purpose up here. So I'm assuming that this is clean care. Our vision: empower change and redefine natural body care through time-honored traditions and purposeful plant-based ingredients. Does not contain petroleum, that's good. It doesn't contain parabens, mineral oil, or any artificial ingredients, and is gluten-free. All right, so it says certified B, okay. This daily whole body moisturizer helps to alleviate symptoms associated with chronic dry skin conditions associated with eczema and, I'm going to put the word here, psoriasis, I believe that's how you pronounce it, as well as dry red bumps, cracked hands and feet, and windburn. And the directions to apply generally for dry skin and to specific affected area. I think they meant apply generously, but it just says apply generally. Caution: hydrated skin that doesn't itch will change your life. Under the drug facts, the active ingredients is an organic Aquila millefolium, which is yarrow, and acts as an astringent along with calendula and matricaria faro. It acts as a skin protectant, elder, red clover, and violet flower extracts. So that's pretty interesting. It sounds very clean and very natural. And it says that it's supposed to temporarily relieve itch of the skin, dryness, flakiness, itchiness, red bumps. Helps to protect against, the elements, whether it's a cold, windy day. It helps to keep in moisture. Temporarily helps to relieve itching due to dry skin or rashes. So apply as often as needed to affected area. The inactive ingredients list is pretty interesting too. Olive fruit oil, sunflower seed oil, beeswax, jojoba seed oil, vitamin E, and lavender oil. So I'm gonna give this to my cousin and see if she likes it. I'm gonna open it here so you can see what the inside looks like. Yeah, just for show. It looks like somebody was also curious, and this looks like it was opened. You see that? I don't know, but it's a tin. So it kind of reminds me of that other one. I forgot the name of the brand. It evades me, but I'll post it here. That it has that kind of like tin. Okay, it looks like it hasn't been touched, but I do kind of smell a bit of the lavender in here. But see, it's solid. So I guess with the body's temperature, it'll change. Another thing from Cora's, which can you tell I'm into skincare lately? Yeah. This is their, what is this? I'm loving this. I'm loving the packaging on this. This is a body milk. I ordered a body milk? Interesting. 92.4% natural content. Nice. Nice. This is their fig body milk. Nice. Nice. A juicy scent of freshly cut figs, moisturizing body milk, enriched with almond oil, active aloe, and provitamin B5 that enhances skin suppleness. This sounds sexy as well as healthy. I don't know. That's pretty darn good. The first ingredient in the Cora's brands, even the other one I featured in both, the very first ingredient was water. Can't go wrong if you started off with water. That's all I can say. As I was doing the playback and doing my editing, I realized that when I was trying to back up things, I inadvertently, either I accidentally deleted or some pieces just didn't record at all. In any case, a whole section disappeared. So I just wanted to, here's future me putting in the piece. The one piece that didn't show up in when I was filming again is from, this is the other piece I was talking about when I was mentioning Cora's, and this is their Magnolia Night cream. This is at 1.34 fluid ounces, which is 40 ml. And I was like, oh, just wanted to show you what it looks like. I have gotten this before, I believe, So I just got another one here, and it's made of glass, and it's pretty thick. So just wanted to show that. Look at that. That is thick. So I'm just gonna open this here real quick so you can see. Wow, look at that. Oh, I mean, skincare is a luxury, and it's the one thing that makes me feel luxurious and helps to lower the stress just a little bit. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Are you a FabFitFun subscriber? Let me know in the comments below if you are an annual or a seasonal. I'm a seasonal subscriber myself, so I get billed each season as opposed to paying it all in one shot. As some of you may know, if you already are FabFitFun subscribers, if you go by the annual, meaning you pay for the year up front, you obviously will get more perks, such as more things that you will have the freedom to pick for your box to make it more customized for yourself. For the ones that buy seasonally, you do get a choice. Yes, you do, on at least 3 of the products. At least for me, I get a choice on 3. So again, if you're not liking what you get in the box, or if you want something more, because FabFitFun really is truly the only lifestyle box that I've come across. I mean, I'm sure there are others out there, but FabFitFun does it for me. What about you? Again, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. And I hope to see you on my next video adventure. Take care. Bye.